Hello, everyone. I am so happy to be here. I'm happy that you're here. And today I want to show you different ways to make specimen cards. Now, the reason is we don't all have the same things. And I want you to be able to create beautiful specimen cards no matter what you have on hand. So I'm going to show you 5 different ways to do them. So I don't remember the order in which I make them. But well, the first one, as I can see, I do it with a tea bag. Now, mind you, at first I wasn't sure of the result until the very end, and I ended up liking it because it's different. However, I do wish that the layer that I created with the tea bag had been a tiny bit lighter, or maybe the image underneath a little darker. So, maybe I would use Mod Podge next time. I think it might help rather than the clear gesso, and maybe it wouldn't. Maybe the tea bag is a tiny bit too thick. So, in any case, it's okay to try. It's okay to not like the result. Because how else are you going to learn, and how else are you going to discover new ways to do things? So in this video, I will show you, like I said, the tea bag. And there are all kinds of different specimen cards and different shapes with different things. So as you can see, I just grabbed, it's a die cut that I have. So I'm going to use that. Later on, I use another die cut, but it's not one of mine. It's one that I purchased. Like purchased die cutted image pieces already done for me. I think it was at Taperlogy, if I'm not mistaken. Another one will be a little bit like the tea bag, but different. It's just on a piece of paper. There's no windows, there's nothing special, no vellum, no nothing. And the butterfly you see right now, the red one, or orange I should say, that's me that printed on vellum paper. Easy peasy, that's all I did. I just printed a butterfly on vellum paper, and that was it. And you'll see I'm using fussy cutted image. This one is on vellum. I'm going to use rub-ons. I'm going to use real flowers. I'm using an envelope, as you can see to the right of the screen right now. I'm using whatever I have, and I'm hoping that this video will also inspire you to look around and say, you know what? I might not have the die cut for a specimen card or a specimen slide or whatever. See, that's another one I could have shown you, but I've done the specimen slides many times, so it doesn't really matter if I didn't show you in this specific video. But maybe you don't have those die cuts, and it doesn't matter. You can still do specimen cards. Hey, you know what? While I'm talking to you, I have another idea. Packaging. I've used it in the past. You can also do a simple window in a piece of cardstock or a piece of, whatever sturdy paper, and use some packaging to make your window. You put your specimen underneath, you put some stamps, some fabric, whatever it is, boom, you got yourself a specimen card. I'm really hoping that by watching this very short video, what is it, like not even 13 minutes? Yeah, not even 13 minutes, that I might inspire you to go through your stuff and your stash and say, you know what, I just received junk mail today, or a bill. why don't I take the sadness of paying bills and use that envelope and make a specimen card? But seriously, I really hope you enjoy this short video. I hope it inspires you to, like I said, go through your things and see other ways to do things. Of course, it's nice to have all the pretty things, but we don't have everything. So use what you have. I could have added fabric. I could have added a cheesecloth. There's so many things that I could have added to these specimen cards, but I tried to keep them simple. You'll see later I'm playing with stamps. I'm playing with metals. Heck, I'm even playing with hole punches, and you know what? It looks fabulous. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. If you find any kind of value to my videos, please help me grow. Encourage me by giving me a thumbs up. You don't even have to comment, although I would like for you to comment if you can tell me what other ideas you have to make specimen cards that maybe I didn't say or include in this video. I'm really curious to see and to read about other ideas, because you know what? I run out of ideas as well. So I'm going to leave you on this Don't forget the thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I really do hope you're all happy, healthy, and safe. I give you a great big hug from here in Nova Scotia, Canada. And as usual, thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye. Bye bye. Enjoy the rest of the video.